Again.
Smoke good. My God, y'all bitch, y'all done. AJ,
You going?
did you start it?
You going?
Damn. You going? I'm
I'm
going.
going.
You going?
I'm going because you went last time.
I did or you did?
You did.
All right, you start then.
All right. Roy! Nigga, look. Check it, bro. Stop doing hand signs behind me and shit. But look, nigga, you my nigga, though. To be honest, you cool as fuck and you funny as fuck. And you my nigga, bro. Like, we got our times. We got our up and downs and shit. But I remember we got in trouble in Miss Ranchie's classroom together. Not listening. But you my nigga, though. Hit me up.
To be honest, Big Black, you know how we do. Stay clowning in youth corps. Stay clowning no matter where we was at. We was at Glen Oak a few months with you, and we kept it hype. Hit me up, bro. Link up. Sorry I couldn't make it to Bears thing tonight, but we definitely gonna have to link up and clown one more time for it. You know, hit me up, bro.
I like how you say hit me up.